What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber that helps you, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys here how to make money off of the stock market crash 2021 if you believe there will be one. Now I don't know the future, but if you believe there will be a stock market crash in the future or this year 2021, I'm going to show you guys here in this video what to do to make you guys a lot of money, and I'm basically going to focus on what to buy. Now I'm going to tell you to sell everything. I'm just going to tell you what to buy, what to do. And so yeah, let's get to it. First off, you want to have a brokerage. Now you can do this with Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, all the ones, but if you want to help me out, you can download Webull. In my opinion, Webull is the best one. As you can see, I'm going to open it right here. Webull is the best one in my opinion, and if you open one up using my link, it'll help me out, but it'll also help you out and you get like a free 1 or 2 free stocks, okay? But that's if you guys don't have a brokerage at the moment. But if you do, this is what you guys want to do right before the stock market crash. Now of course we don't know when it will be, maybe this year, maybe, like, nobody knows. But if you think there will be one in the near future, in a couple months, I'm gonna tell you guys here what stocks to buy and what to do for options, okay? So it's really simple. Now I even made a list right here, a playlist right here on the Webull called Crash, so I could show you guys here the stocks that I like, that the stocks that are good for that go up when there's a crash, okay? The number one stock here is this one, SQQ, and basically all this stock is a short for the SP, the SPY, and it's basically when the SPY goes down, this goes up. When the SPY goes up, this goes down. Now I'm going to show you guys right here the stats. So right here, 52-week range, $14.29 was the lowest. Right now it's $14.74 as we speak, so it's at its all-time low. The highest in the 52-week range was $162. Now if you go right here and we go all the way back to, you know, the crash in 2020, as you guys can see, 162 was the highest it went in the crash in 2020. As you guys can see, it went up a lot, and then after that, since I don't know what month that is, since the crash has just been coming down at its all-time low, which is 1429, and right now it's 1474. So basically, if the SPY goes down a lot, which it did and during the crash in 2020, then this goes up a lot. And what I mean by that is it's a lot. As you guys can see, 14 to 162 is pretty big. So what you want to do here, if you think there's going to be a crash, obviously you would want to buy this stock, which I did. That's the safe way. So you could buy the stock, and even if there's not a stock market crash this year, there might be one in the next year. There's always going to be one, regardless of how big it is. That's the safe way. Now if you want to be a little more risky, but it gives you a lot more money, you want to use options, okay? And options, if you don't have options yet on Webull, it's really easy to get them. You just gotta like press I want to do options and then do like a little thing, and then you'll get approved. So just do this exact thing right here that I'm gonna show you guys, and you'll get a lot, okay? Just go to options, and obviously you want to do a call. So a call is if you think it's gonna go up, put if you think it's gonna go down, okay? So if you do a call right here, so I have one right here, as you guys can see, I have one for March, and it's pretty good price right now. So I'm gonna show you guys the one that I actually got. So March 19th is the expiration date, and I bought this one right here, okay? And this one, the price target is $15. Just so you guys know, the right now is like $14. This one is $15, the price target, okay? And I bought this one for $200, just one contract. And as you guys can see, just $200 for 15 price target, and the expiration date is March 19th, 2021. So it's, in my opinion, a pretty good deal, especially with what can happen. Like I said, if there is a crash, the SPY is going to come down a lot, and what's going to happen with this one is it's going to go up. So if you imagine if it goes up, you know, into the 30s, 20s, that's a lot of money. As you guys can see right here, let me show you. the option, so it's unlimited. So there's no, the max profit is not limited, it's unlimited. So the sky is the limit. It all depends on the crash, how big it is, and in my opinion, that's one of the best strategies you can do right before the stock market crash. Now there's other stocks here that you guys can buy as well. Another one here is, let me show you guys here, are silver and gold. I recommend to buy. So other stocks that I recommend to buy that are pretty safe and are good against a crash, where to put your money, is silver and gold. And this one is the best stock in my opinion for silver. SLV, iShares Silver Trust. Just buy this. As you guys can see, it went up to 27. But this is, silver is obviously really safe, as well as gold. And for the gold, if you're gonna put it in gold, I'd recommend this one right here. Just basically gold, just the name of it, Barrick Gold. And yeah, silver and gold is probably the safest way to go against the crash. But you can also, there's another one here that I like, and is this one right here. So drip, as you guys can see, let's look at the ranges. The ranges are crazy. Right now it's at $18. The lowest point it was in 52-week range was $17.57, and the highest was $596, obviously from, you know, the crash. As you guys can see right here, let me show you the chart. 596. Let's see which month that is. 0320. So February, I think, not February, March. So in March it reached 596, and then it just went down just like the last one, the SQQ, all the way to, you know, the low 17. So as you guys can see, if there is a crash, this will skyrocket as well. So what you can do is obviously buy this stock if you want to go the safe route, or you can do the same thing with the options and just buy a call option as back as possible, you know, because you never know when it will be. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's what you want to do. Those are the two main stocks, drip, SQQ, and the silver and gold ones that you want to put your money in if you believe there will be a crash. That's just if you believe there will be. So if you guys have any questions, leave in the comments. Like I said, if you want to try out Webull, download it from the link below and make an account with the link below, and you'll get free stocks and all that. So thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.